Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to block a number in Lenevo smartphone or Lenevo A7700 Android phone. So to block a number, at first you have to launch phone application, or this is the phone app. At first you have to launch the phone apps, and then you will see the dial numbers or the numbers you received, call received. And now you need to tap on the eye icon, which is located inside a circle against each number. So this is the eye button. After that you need to tap the three vertical dots, which is located top right corner just near the delete button. And then you will see here two options: edit number before call and then add to blacklist. Now to block the number, just tap on the add to blacklist. See, you will see options. Are you sure you want to add to the blacklist? Just tap OK. The number is added to the blacklist. You can check it. Just click on the three vertical dots, and then you will see here option remove from blacklist. Since the number is added to the blacklist, you will get these options. So friends, in this way you can block any number in your Lenevo Android phone. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.